Here they come, Sebby. Here they come, Sebby. They're chasing and throwing. Jeremy. You chasing the Charlies? He wasn't paying attention. He missed it. Good boy, Charlie. Get him, mate. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, Adele, good job. Just sneezing up there, Adele. Did you get it, Charlie? Go chase it, mate. What you doing? You're after going. Maybe when it snots up some big dogs. Maybe Thursday you'll go for it. Get it, Minnie. Good girl. There you are. Good girl, Minnie. Come Minnie, go. Go, Minnie. Go, Minnie. Go, Minnie. Get it, Charlie. Come on, Pink Lucy. Come on, Baba, throw it in a second. Oops, you happened to roll in the grass. You didn't know it was coming for you. You got it, Romeo. Get it, mate. Hang on, Missy. Go, Minnie. Get it, Coda. Good girl. You okay, Min Min? You okay, Bubba? You good, darling? You good? Look at your soggy like a sock. You gonna have any more chasers? Get it, Romeo. Lucy. Hello, Sabi. Hello, Sabi. Oh, nearly hang. Away from the fence, Alan. That's what happened last time. Nice jump, Hank. Go, Charlie. Whoa, what a jump, Ziggy. Goodness me. That was an awesome jump, Zig. Go, doggies, go. Catch up, little Charlie. Catch up. Come on, Missy. It's gonna land. Get it, Charlie. Get it, little Charlie. Oh, sorry, Missy. I didn't see that ball rolling until it was too late. What have I got? We've got Sebby following, Leia following, Dougie following, and Charlie boy. Charlie boy! Oh, where are you off to? Oh, cheekies. Going back the same way. What are you up to, cheeky boy? What'd you bring me? A ball. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Go, Missy, go.